This, guys, the dark water with the big beasts in, is my biggest fear in the whole world. I feel my heart's like, as well as crowds, so mix them together. Okay, now he's looking for them. Oh, it's just a ladder. Sorry. Yeah. Now. This Egypt here, well, we've actually been told you cannot go within 6 meters of these beasts. You can actually get put in prison for it. So that's why we're on the boat and staying away, because it's something called respect. Unbelievable. I don't know if you're going to be able to hear us, because we know what this GoPro's like when it's been into water. It might sound a bit muffly, but I can't believe I conquered.
They were close.
I conquered my fear. I didn't shit my pants.
I got a whack off a fin.
They're massive, they're so big.
What do you reckon?
Oh my, do you know what? It's
8-10 metres?
Considering my moral high ground was higher than these hills I can see, then now I'm like, yeah, we're coming back and doing it again. It's worth it. I'm like,
yeah.
Oh God, do you know what? I'm watch his face now. I think I'm going to do my paddy. Yeah, of my fear of water. Considering I'd never went in the sea past my ankles. Oh my God.
Find good grub, we're staying.
Still buzzing from them whales. Anyway, the second part of our adventure, we're going to Sumilon Island over here. We've paid about £100 for both of us, but that includes you get a big buffet lunch. It's actually a resort. There's also fishing. You can do kayaks. There's more snorkeling. Now I'm not scared of the sea and an absolute pussy. I'm going to get in a bit more. This day so far is just going to be amazing, and I can't wait to share all of this with all of you. So yeah, there's our little boat. I feel like I'm a bit of a celebrity here. I think they've heard that on the Highfield Road streaker. Thank you, people. Thank you. Oh my God, this is so much harder than it looks. The coral looks really, really white. It looks like it's been slashed to shit. But I've seen a few bluefish. Can't believe I'm in the water. Flippin' Nora. Okay, so I think we've got some explaining to do. When we first got there, and you've seen the footage now, it was a lot busier than we thought. Guys, there's a main road there. It was a lot busier than what we thought, but we were explained after that it's Chinese New Year, so there's a lot of Chinese around.
Yeah, there was. We thought there'd be about 50 people there with 2 boats maybe, but there was a good few hundred, and we did debate backing out, didn't we?
Yeah, but at this point we had our moral stance after we'd paid the tickets, and you're paying £20 a ticket, and we're budget backpacking. So when we were on the boat, it was I was adamant I wasn't going in. I hate the sea. The thought of getting into deep water when you can't see, let alone swim with whale sharks, but it was absolutely, I couldn't resist it. It was unbelievable.
You got up at 4:30 in the morning. You weren't not going to get in, were you?
No, it was. We have been told that the whales, they do, after 3 months, they do leave. There has been cases when they've stayed. We're going on the information that we've been given. It's up to you. You do what you want to do, and for us, we just weren't not going to get in there with them. They're very strict. There's a lot of marine biologists there. Yeah,
who do monitor the situation daily. There's strict rules there with high penalties if you don't stick to these rules.
Yeah, there are people there getting told off left, right and centre, so they were very strict, get them out kind of thing. So
yeah.
It was just amazing. So then after that we went to, what's it called?
Sumilon Island. Yeah, it was just a 10-minute tuk-tuk ride and a quick 10-minute ferry. Beautiful little island for snorkeling. Buffet lunch. For those of you that doubt food in the Philippines, this buffet lunch was unbelievable.
Oh my! It's like you're a celebrity because you get the shuttle bus, and then it's safe. We were leaving our bags with people. You can get a locker, but we were leaving our bags anyway, and nothing went missing. The snorkeling there, the coral. There's a lot of coral that's dead, but there is glimpse of what it used to look like. Again, I went snorkeling. What the hell is that about? It was just magic.
So now we are going to book her up for a paddy course.
Nah, I think not. We are probably going to go to Dumaguete tomorrow. What do you think?
We're undecided. We'll have a chat about that now, probably. Yeah. We'll see.
Anyway, we'll take you with us anyway, so good night. Good morning guys, we are on Negros Island. We're in the capital, Dumaguete. Yesterday we didn't really do much, but today we have come down to Howell's Dive Shop because
we're going to swim with sea turtles. Apo Island.
We've got all of our gear, we've got our fins and our snorkels and our life vests, so let's go and show you what it's all about. Why is there nobody else out here?
Oh, Amy, come on.
Right, so that's the first stop. You do stop for about an hour, but I have this phobia that I've got. I've been out of the water for about 15 minutes, I've had a cigarette, and I still feel really panicky. I can't explain it. This is for anybody that's watching this that has this fear. I looked at Scott next to the anchor and he looked so small, and I was like on my back in a ball. They were going, "Are you okay?" I was like, it's crippling. It's absolutely, it is beautiful down there. It really, really is, but it's just frigging petrifies me. I think I saw a jellyfish. I haven't seen any turtles. I think Scott's got some footage of the turtles, but I saw loads of blue starfish, but I can see too much in my imagination.
How's the current? Good? Yeah, he was diving that earlier on.
You have to get a vest on it.
Oh God, how'd you jump at that window?
We're just dropped. Let's all jump together.
Good?
Oh my God.
Should we just all jump together?
Oh shit, the bed literally shit your bikini.
Yeah.
Oh.
Do it.
Sorry guys.
Do it.
Oh my God. Don't worry, I'm sitting here.
Should we all jump together?
Yeah, let's do it. 1, 2, 3.
Wait.
But one. Sorry guys, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah. 1. You jump in or what? Oh. 1, wait. Okay, count of 3, 1. Oh,
Just stay calm, baby. Just stay calm.
Okay guys, we did just do our second diving spot, our snorkeling spot, but I kind of hyperventilated and got pulled in on a donut, ironically. Anyway, we're back having food. What you got?
Noodles, boiled egg, and vegetables.
What are they called?
Boiled egg.
Say that when you go backpack and you do actually meet the most incredible people, and we actually did. We had the most amazing night. I apologise now for the future karaoke.
He turned to me as if to say, Harry, mine is waiting there for you. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know that what we done. In your head, stronger.
Right guys, shit, we've just woken up. It's like 20 to 12. We've got to be out of this room by 12 o'clock. Why did we do it the day before? So yeah. We have never packed a freaking suitcase so quickly, but we managed to get to Dumaguete port and we got the ferry over to Sikihor.